Hello, friends. Today I'd like to sing for you a song from the musical Showboat, which was written about 100 years ago in 1927. The song is called Make Believe. A game of just supposing is the sweetest game I know. Our dreams are more romantic than the world we see. And if the things we dream about don't happen to be so, that is just an unimportant technicality. We could make believe I love you, only make believe that you love me. Others find peace of mind in pretending. Couldn't you? Couldn't I? Couldn't we make believe our lips are blending in a phantom kiss or two?